Picture yourself in the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, remote engine start, fog lamps, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, intermittent wipers. Never be anyone but your authentic self. You belong in the Wrangler.